that's cool.
Yeah.
Open
See,
the window.
you get to see fireworks.
Is there any more?
He's got a whole bag of them, Kathy.
Oh dear God, that's scary.
Get my fingers out.
As you look like your finger
It
touching
looks like you had it in there.